Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you're watching my channel Bukhari Tech. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining on your iPhone after iOS 18.1 or 18.0.1. So how we can fix our draining battery. So firstly, to make sure that your iPhone charger is original or 2 ampere and 5 volts complete, and do not charge your iPhone on any charger, so your battery health is not fixed and not increase your battery timing because your charger is not original. So firstly, change your charger and make sure your charger is original. So second is open your settings and open your battery. So open your battery health and charging. Now make sure your optimized battery charging toggle is on. If your toggle is off, then turn it on and go back and scroll down and tap on privacy and settings, and you make sure your location services is off. If your location services is on, then turn it off, so your battery health is increased and battery timing will be increased, and then your battery is not draining. So go back so scroll down and you can check in your control center that your dark mode is on. Your iPhone is in dark mode, then your battery increase battery life. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to fix battery draining on your iPhone. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.